In this video, we will create a customer. To create a customer, first click on Customer, and then click on Create New Customer. Here the mandatory fields are highlighted in yellow, while the remaining fields are optional. Enter the required details by providing the customer name. If you have additional information, you may also enter details such as GST number and select the appropriate business areas. Enter the email address, ensuring it follows the correct email format. Next, enter the address. Please enter the all details carefully. And city information. And select the country from drop-down of country, and then select the appropriate state. And enter the postal code after that. Provide the country code and phone number. Verify all information of customer. Finally, click on the Save button to complete the process. The customer has been created successfully. Thank you.